we want to find the coordinates of the points on the curve y is x cubed minus 3x, at which the gradient is 9. We must remember that dy dx is the gradient function for the curve we're dealing with. So we have the curve y is x cubed minus 3x. The gradient function for this curve is dy dx, which is 3x squared minus 3. We're told that the gradient is 9, and this means that dy dx must be equal to 9. Here dy dx is 3x squared minus 3, so 3x squared minus 3 must be equal to 9. Therefore 3x squared is equal to 12, and dividing both sides by 3 gives x squared is 4. So x could be plus or minus 2. So we have x values. For coordinates we need the corresponding y values. So when x is equal to 2, we need to substitute 2 into the original y equation, x cubed minus 3x. So y is going to be 2 cubed, take away 3 times 2, which is 8, take away 6, which is 2. So we have the point 2, 2. We need to do the same for x is equal to minus 2. So y is going to be minus 2 cubed, take away 3 lots of minus 2, which is minus 8 plus 6, giving us minus 2. So we have the point minus 2, minus 2.